It's Itty Bitty and Maisie. So, Itty Bitty mom, that's not even her son, but look, she's all goofy. She loves playing with him. Oh my god. She's so happy because now that Maisie's around, she doesn't get annoyed by Bolito as much, or hardly ever again. So, and then here we have jealous Speedy. He wants my attention. They're playing, they're goofing around. And it helps with the sun being out. Everybody's so much happier. Right, Speedy? Yeah. Look at you two. Look at you two. And there's Bonus over there. He's kinda shy, still watching. I don't know what I'm gonna do with him over the winter time. Maisie can't resist Itty Bitty. So Itty Bitty on the right, she is 4.5 years old, and she's the smallest out of all of them. And on the left, Maisie, he's 7 months old. So that's why her name is Itty Bitty, because she got her babies like at 6 months or so, 5-6 months, and that's why she stayed so small, I guess. Hey, you guys, Speedy, leave Trixie alone. So, alright. Enough of these shenanigans now. Back to work.